Hello everybody, this is Don with Frog Wallets, and in this video what I like to do is quickly show you how to use our offline printer template. So when you purchase a Frog Wallet, what you're getting is a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper with pre-printed high quality graphics that are printed edge to edge. Now that's very important, and you'll see why here in a minute. So it doesn't matter what you pick. If you just order just a single wallet or one of our packages, you're going to have to pick a design. Now at launch we have two designs. We have a line art design, and this is designed to look a little bit like currency, the dollar bill. We had an artist really spend a lot of time to make this look really cool, we think. And then there's also the cartoon design. So doesn't matter which one you pick, you're going to get a offline, that's very important, printer template that you can download, and all you have to do is open it up with Google Chrome or Firefox and give it your information and print your wallets front and back. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is I'm going to pop over here to our how to print template section, and we have a way you can use Microsoft Word if you choose. But there's also these offline printer templates, which I think is going to be a little bit easier. But one of the steps in the Microsoft Word is that you need to understand which way your printer prints. For instance, does it when it sucks a piece of paper in there, is it printing on the top or is it printing on the bottom? Now our printer here showed in this graphic, what we did is we labeled a piece of paper, we marked it up, and the arrows in which the feed is taking it, and then we printed one of these examples, and what we found out was that the printer printed on the bottom, so that the side that was facing up was not printed on. So that's very important to understand which side your printer prints to. Okay, so once you have that and you know, you can open all you have to do is open, you're going to get a package that looks like this. We're going to do the cartoon one design. So all we have to do is go open with, and I'm going to say Google Chrome, and it'll pop up a window. I already had it open, so I'm going to close that. So what we've got the cartoon design print, and now all we have to do is start giving it the information. I'm going to pop over to Theta Explorer. I'm going to grab a key off Theta Explorer. This is not a key that we own. Obviously, we don't have $1 million. And we're going to say, yes, we want to use a QR code. And then you can select your logo. Now, in this package, we're going to send you out every top 100 coin except for stable coins. So you've got Bitcoin, Chills, FTX, KuCoin. Now, not necessarily every one of these coins can be put on a paper wallet. Usually a paper wallet requires the crypto to be decentralized, but we just put them in there because the purpose of the logo is to help you identify the wallet once it's sealed up. That way you don't have to open up every single wallet to say, what is my information? Which one is this? You can just look at the outside and get a visual indication. Okay, this is my Theta wallet. This is my Shiba wallet. This is my SiaCoin wallet. So that's what these logos are for. And additionally, we have the options for wallets, like your Exodus, your Ledger, your MetaMask, your Trezor, your Trust Wallet, and Wallet of Satoshi, because those two have seed phrases in which the Frog Wallet will work perfect for, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then we're also going to include, as we gather new creators, we're going to include logos for specific creators if you would like to just print a wallet with one of their logos. And then we have some custom logos, and we may add more. So essentially what you do, you've got 2 wallets per page, and we're going to put in our public key 1, public key 2, and we're going to select this logo, and we're going to select this logo. And then all we have to do, we want another QR code, we're going to click print, and boom, you're going to get a preview. Now this is Google Chrome. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop down here, and we're going to say, show me the background graphics. Now the background graphics that you're seeing here does not look like what you saw on our website, because we don't really want you to print a wallet without having our stock. The stock is specifically designed to be used for us, and it's branded, and it's a high quality print. Whereas if we just let people download and print as many as they want, we don't know what kind of quality that's going to happen, and then there's also problems with people reselling our products. So back to the Google Chrome. So, well, there we go. So we got it set to none. If you set it to custom, you can do it by custom, but you have to remove these margins like this. So you got to click the little blue slash line and move the margins, because what you're printing on is a full what they call with bleed, a piece of paper that is printed edge to edge. So we want no margins. Before you print, you need to turn off the background image, because this is all you're printing. Remember, the stock is already pre-printed. You're just adding your final details. And then all you do is click print. And again, make sure that this, so in our printer, this is the outside of the wallet. That would need to be facing down. So seeing here, 2 logos, 2 QR codes, and 2 public keys. It prints, it flips it over, so we need to make sure that the outside of the wallet is facing down when we click print. The next thing you do is, after you click print, you reinsert the paper, correct side up, and then you can print your private information. Let's go back to what the wallet looks like here. Singles. All right, so this is the back side of the cartoon wallet. You got a space here for your private key, your private password, your QR code for your private key, so you don't have to keep retyping that thing, the mnemonic phrase, and a notes section. Notes, you could put like, hey, I bought 10 Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I've got some pre-filled out text here. I'm just going to use the same public key, add a few extra characters, add the QR code, password 1. Okay, so when you get to the mnemonic phrase, typically what's going to happen is you're going to get either a 12 or 24 words. So I'm going to pop over to, this is the Persistent Crypto, and they give you 24 words, whereas the Theta will give you 12 words. All you have to do, if you're using 24 words, is you just, because when we printed the wallets, there's only space, as you see here, for 12 words, but you can put 2 words per line. So if you're doing like the Trust Wallet or the Exodus Wallet or the Persistence Crypto, and you've got a 12-word C phrase, just double up. There's plenty of space there. Let me show you. All right, so we're going to take a 24-word phrase here. And what you do is you put a comma after each word. So in this case, because we're using 24 words, we're going to put a comma after every 2. So I want to pop that in, and let's do a 12-word. And you can see here, word 1, comma, word 2, comma, word 3, so forth and so on. Test 1 for the notes, test 2 for the note section 2. Click print. And once again, our margins are already preset. So we're going to go to more settings and show you what this would look like with the background image. Again, you never want to print the background image. And you see how all the elements fall into the correct spaces on the paper. Now over here, Wallet 1, we used a 24 seed phrase. So we've got 2 words per line, and you see that those could fit in there pretty nicely. And then we would just click print. Now one other thing that I want to point out is when you click print, one of the things that the printers are going to do is they're going to print 2 pages. And the reason they're doing that is because these pages are set edge to edge, and they thinks there's a little layover on another page. So all you have to do is go to custom and say, I only want to print 1 of 1. Just like 1-1 in this section here. And this doesn't matter whether you're using Firefox or Google's Chrome. Just say print 1 page. Otherwise, what's going to happen is it's going to grab the first sheet of paper in your paper tray and spit it out. Now, if you only have 1 wallet, it's going to spit your wallet out and print it onto the next blank page if there is one. So just always remember that. If you have more than 1 wallet, it's probably not a big deal. Although you just need to be conscious of the fact that, hey, it's gonna print out a blank page unless you change it to one-to-one. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to put up a screenshot to show you an example of what I just printed. It's going to have a couple different logos, but it's going to show you what the Frog Wallet looks like. And that's all you have to do. I know this video ran a little bit long. Hopefully I can edit it down a little bit. But if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Our email is frog_service@frogwallets.com. Give us an email if you have any questions. We're here to help. All right, so I just finished editing the video, and then I noticed, hey, I didn't really explain how these actually work after they're printed. So these are actual scans of the printed wallet. Here's the outside, and here's the inside. Now, what you do is you cut these wallets in two along the horizontal axis, right where this line is. And then, so you can imagine cutting this right here down the middle. So this wallet is going to be, this is the backside or the inside. And then you fold it down the vertical axis. So what you see on one side is this, and what you see on the other side is this. This is your public information. You can scan the QR code here, and then this is your wallet identifier. And here's your private information that would be on the inside of this wallet. You cannot see the information on the inside from the outside. Every element has been carefully placed to hide this information, so you can't shine a light through it to see it. That's why we use a certain paper stock. So that is exactly how you work and how you get two wallets out of each thing. Now, once you have cut it, separated it, and folded it, there will be a clear envelope that you slide it into. That envelope has a adhesive. You peel back the adhesive sticker, and then you seal it shut. That makes the wallet waterproof. And then there is a holographic serialized code, tamper-evident code that you can put on the outside of it, which will leave a residue if anybody were to peel that off. So now you've got physical security in the term of identifying if anybody's accessed your wallet. And then, of course, we also have the Fire Wallet, which is a fireproof document holder, and it's perfect for storing multiple. You can put probably, I don't know, 50 of these Frog Wallets in there. But you could also put your passport, car titles, birth certificates, anything that's important that you want to protect in case of fire into the Fire Wallet. So that I thought was kind of important to add here at the end. Take care.